Okay.
Bearing in mind this is the first time climb and I'm stoned. I hurt myself. You need to help me out, alright?
Okay. I'm with ya. Just look at this tree. You go, monkey boy. Is he gonna get to the point? Yeah. There he goes. Whoa, Ash. I think that there's two questions to ask at this point. Number one, what are you going to do there? Number two, how the hell are you going to get down?
Never think about that before climbing a tree.
Yeah? Okay. I'll take that for life.
I'll tell you where I'm going to go.
Wait, whoa!
Come on.
Ah, no zoom, shit.
Over, no zoom.
Yeah, can't do zoom.
Over here.
Oh, there you are.
Just here.
Oh shit, am I doing it wrong?
Right, can you see here?
Yeah.
In there. I'll take my camera up here later.
Yeah.
That is the heart of the tree. It's a really like open. It's a really obvious heart. This tree's like wearing its heart on the outside. Fucking hell, it's a long way down.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. I obeyed the rule, didn't look down.
Yeah.
But I feel secure now. So.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.